We have over 110 chimney fires per week in Ireland. It can destroy your property and even kill people. Having your chimney swept twice or at least once per year will ensure the health and safety of your family. I am Tiago from Men in Black Property Maintenance, and I am a certified chimney sweep. Today, I will explain how to clean your chimney by using a power sweeping system. First of all, we must wear all the appropriate personal protective equipment due to the dangerous chemicals contained inside of the flue. We also cover all the working area and isolate the fireplace to make sure that the creosote or any other chemicals won't invade your property. Secondly, we introduce rod by rod with a power drill in order to clean the flue, and once we reach the top of the chimney, we work our way out by following the same steps. While sweeping the chimney, you must ensure that the vacuum is running during the sweeping process to control the dust. Once the sweep is completed, you must carry out a safety inspection with a night vision camera to ensure that the chimney is cleaned and in order to identify any other issue that you might have in your chimney that could also be a fire hazard to your property. If you have any questions regarding to your chimney, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.